how to withdraw from the Kraken app to a bank account. So, once your account has been verified, you will be able to fund your account to buy and sell crypto. So, by following these guides below, you can deposit or withdraw your funds in the Kraken app. So, here's how you can withdraw your crypto. Select the currency from your available balances, then tap the withdraw button, which is what you can see here, and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw, even if it's Bitcoin or whatever coins it is that you want to withdraw of, and it's the funds of, you must sell it first as a crypto. And then in the withdraw to section, select an existing withdrawal address or click enter a new address. And then select for a number of cryptocurrencies supported by Kraken. You are given an option to withdraw on multiple networks. And in this case, just select the network your withdrawal address is on. And if your wallet is an Ethereum wallet, or ensure you have the Ethereum network, you can review this article right here, which is on the link. Now, after that, you can now click confirm. And if you want to withdraw the funds as cash itself, you can go to your portfolio and then select the currency you like to withdraw from your available balances, and on the screen, tap the withdraw button. And simply just choose the network you'd like to withdraw to and input the amount you would like to withdraw. And in the withdraw to section, select an existing withdrawal address and then tap enter a new bank account. And then lastly is tap review and then confirm once you're ready to withdraw. And that is how you can withdraw funds from Kraken to a bank account.